Good day everyone, today is December 11 and our daily devotion. It is entitled Praying with Thanksgiving. Our verse is Luke 17:17 to 18. Jesus asked, "We're not all 10. We are not all 10 plus. Where are the other 9? Has no one returned to give praise to God except this foreigner? Hindi ba't 10 ang pinagaling from Jesus? Nasaan siya? Wala bang nagbalik ang galing ng Diyos kundi ang tayunin? It is all about the story where He healed or He cleansed 10 people and only one of them returned to give praise. For our number one teaching, many are quick to ask but slow in gratitude. Let people ask for things, pray for things that they needed in their life and that they wanted. And once they receive it, they forgot to show their gratitude by giving thanks to God, praying for Him for the things that He have done, for the blessing that He had given. Number two, God is pleased with grateful. God is happy if we are return to Him when He gave us blessing or grace. He is pleased by those people who are grateful with the things that they receive, even if it is small or big. There is entitlement is the enemy of thankfulness. We must not be entitled for the things that we are receiving right now, because in Jesus' name, He can get all of the things and will leave us in the bottom of life. We must become thankful for all things that we have received, because He sent those people who have entitlement in their life. For our application of prayer doesn't necessarily need for you to pray because you needed something or you want things to turn out good. Sometimes prayer is just to say thank you for all the things that we have received, for all the things that we have done because of Him. Number two is be sensitive to God's blessing. We must be sensitive because blessing are big and small. Sometimes we cannot see how big that blessing is or how impactful is that blessing. Number three is be quick to say thank you. We must always say thank you, even in the slightest step that we receive it from Him or for anyone. A simple thank you won't harm us.